In this video, we're going to describe on how to remove the screens from the window. This can be done from the outside or the inside. From the outside perspective, approach the window, lift the screen up slightly, push in towards the right-hand side of the window to compress the springs that hold the screen in place, and remove it. To reinstall, insert the springs into the track first, then push in to compress the springs, pop the screen in place, slide it down. To remove the screen from the interior perspective, start with the window open. Use the built-in lift rail here to lift the screen up a few inches. Grasp at the bottom right-hand corner of the screen and pull to the left to compress those springs. Push out on the bottom right-hand corner, and you can pop the screen out, draw it into the house, set it aside. When you're ready to reinstall it, we'll start by reinstalling those springs into the left-hand track. Grasp the bottom of the screen in the right-hand corner, pull to the left again to compress the screen, reach your hand out, pop the screen in, shut it, and lock the window. Moving on, we're going to discuss how to remove the full flex screen from the frame. As the name implies, the screen is completely flexible throughout the entire frame. As you can see here, just by sliding it against the window, I can move it and manipulate it any way I really want to. Easiest way from the outside perspective is to place your hand on the center of the window and drag the screen material along the exterior weather stripping. That'll allow you to access the frame edge, and at that point you can manipulate the screen frame, pull it out, set it off to the side. When you're ready to reinstall, it's recommended that you start in one corner, get the one corner fully seated in, and then work the other four corners in individually. Again, don't be afraid to bend the screen. From the inside perspective, start with the window open, and again, with the flex screen, the easiest thing to do would be to place your hand in the center of the screen and gently push out until you can reach your fingers through and grab a hold of the edge of the frame. Again, work it out individually. Bring it in through the house, set it aside. When you're ready to reinstall it, the process is in reverse. You start with one corner,